Hello, this is the trade site stocks and U.S. stocks and futures market people. Wow, that's amazing. U.S. stocks and futures market preview for Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2020. Hope you had a good trading day. On Tuesday, it's been okay. We had some stuff that worked well on both days, and can't complain. A little weird for the day again because that's the way this market is right now. New closing high in the stock market of all time. Not much, not by much. We'll talk about that in a minute. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market futures form. We've now broken the risk line on the 13 sell signal by breaking it and taking out the highs of that high of that candle. And whatever, it is what it is. We haven't done that yet in the monthly though, so that's very important, very interesting. We'll see where that lands us at the end of February, which is the only point where that matters. Let's go through the daily charts. Crude oil up 68 cents at 50.62, still sitting down near lows for the last year. Gold up $1.20, sitting near highs for the last year. S&P cash gained 5.66, closed lower than it opened, but gained 5 points. Nasdaq 100, which had opened up quite a bit more, closed up a point, pretty much nothing. Stocks up 38.28. That 13 sell signal is still in place. Biotech's down 3.16, so nothing there. Russell 2000 gains 9 points. The VIX gains 0.14 late in the day, back to 15.18, which it was lower most of the day. The TRIN closes at 0.85. That puts the 10-day moving average at 1.21, which doesn't mean anything. Nasdaq volume 2.4 billion shares. That doesn't really change much. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq was plus 762. So way more stocks up than down, even though it closed up only a point, or down up a point, right? Advanced decline ratio on the New York plus 1,081. So a lot more stocks up than down, even though it only closed up 5. Got the Google up 1.4, Apple down 1.94, Netflix up 2.62. What a big cup anyways for me right now on Netflix. Amazon up 16.89, new all-time highs. Tesla up $3.10, which is kind of a blip after a stock that's made the moves it's been making lately. 3 points doesn't really matter. Facebook was down 5.87. Goldman Sachs down 90 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 73 cents. The Dow was down 48 cents. Is what it is. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute candle. So, again, I didn't do a preview last night. So Monday we had gap down, filled the gap, and spent 45 minutes there. Then shot up for about 45 minutes, and then dead flat most of the rest of the day until we drifted higher very, very late in the day. Tuesday, on the other hand, we gap up, we go higher, we come back over lunch, we're flat, and then in the afternoon we start to sell off. That's when we fill the gaps and basically made no progress. So that's what the week, that's what the week looks like so far. Wednesday, we've got Fed Chair Powell testifying, second day of testimony to Congress. Crude oil inventories at 10:30, 10-year bond auction at 1, federal budget balance at 2. That's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading